Hey guys, I'm Drew Mead here at Lake Lanier, MarineMax. I'm sitting on a 2015 Sea Ray 19 SPX equipped with an outboard. This is a very sporty, awesome family boat, great for ripping across the lake and going to dinner, or water skiing or tubing the kids on a weekend afternoon. If you'll notice, it's a very large, spacious swim platform. You have a four-step telescoping ladder on the port side for getting people on and off and in and out from swimming. The boat does have hydraulic steering, so you will have power steering control of this Mercury 150 horse outboard motor. I'm going to move into the cockpit now. We can take a look around. On the aft bench here, if I lift this seat cushion up, you'll see a dedicated cooler space. This compartment is insulated and it does have a drain in the corner, so if you want to just throw your drinks and food right in that compartment and pour ice on top, as the ice melts, it's going to drain right out throughout the day. Underneath this sun pad here is a very large storage compartment, and because the boat is an outboard, this whole space that would normally house a stern drive engine is completely available for pool or toy storage, beach toys, chairs, towels, anything you want to store back here. You have this entire space available for storage. There's more storage under that starboard rear corner, and the boat's really just got storage everywhere. There's another ski locker right below me. Over here on the port side, we have somewhat of a convertible space, so this seat cushion is removable. If someone would like to sit here with their legs facing forward when you're underway, you could do that. If you want to turn this into a bench and have two people sitting next to each other, just slip that cushion right back in place there, and you have a bench seat on the port side. The boat does have a lockable glove box, so if you're going to dinner and you want to throw any valuables in there and lock them up, you can. Underneath the port helm here is a very large storage compartment as well. Looking at the driver's space, you have a captain's chair with a flip-up seat bolster. I believe this chair also will swivel, so if you're hanging out enjoying the cockpit space, you can just swivel the chair around. You do have a 12-volt power point here right below the captain's cup holder, so if you need to charge a phone or run any sort of 12-volt charging, maybe inflate a tube or something like that, you could do it right there at the helm space. Sea Ray is equipped with analog gauges for that Mercury 150. You've got your tachometer here, your speedo, and the fuel and trim indicator, as well as your depth sounder off in the lower right-hand corner. This is going to be that C-Star hydraulic steering for the Mercury 150, as well as your throttle and shift and trim and tilt controls. All right, moving forward, in the bow you have a very spacious front seating area where two adults could easily sit with their legs out facing forward. If I remove this seat, you have storage underneath the starboard side. You have the same storage under the port side as well. If you're bow in to your dock space and you want to board in and off the front, you can just remove this filler cushion here and step straight up onto a non-skid step here, non-skid step here, right onto the dock. Very safe boarding no matter which way you pull in, stern in or bow in. If you guys would like to come see this 2015 Sea Ray 19 SPX, come see us at Bald Ridge Marina. I'm Drew Mead with MarineMax, and I'd love to help you.